Hello guys, so on today's short video I'll show you how to connect your SteelSeries Arctis 9X headset with your Xbox very fast. And it doesn't matter which Xbox you have, this will work with Xbox One consoles and the new generation Series XS consoles as well. Let's start. To set up the SteelSeries headset with your Xbox console, simply press the sync button on your Xbox and the Xbox logo button will start to blink. With the headset off, press and hold the power button for 6 seconds and it will connect to the Xbox. If you experience pairing issues, make sure you haven't paired your Arctis 9X with your old Xbox, for example, before, or your PC through the Xbox wireless adapter. If this is the case, you will need to unpair it first. To do that, have your headset off and press and hold the power button for 15 seconds until the LED begins to blink white. Now it should be unpaired from your previous device and ready for pairing with your new Xbox or wireless adapter. If you're using your Arctis 9X with your Xbox and your PC with the Xbox wireless adapter, unfortunately you'll have to repeat this procedure every time you switch. Feel free to ask any question in the comment section below, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more videos like this one. And you can watch my next video right here. And I'm gonna see you in the next one.